Tiger prints have always been in trend and adorn the household interiors for a long time. If you too are fond of them, then you can have them in living form. Just grow these stunning tiger pattern plants. Tiger Kalanchoe, also known as tiger stripe Kalanchoe, it exhibits egg-shaped pale green leaves that are marked in purple or maroon streaks like a tiger. It also grows small purple-green flowers during summer. Silver Squill, also known as hyacinth, the plant features silver leaves variegated with green splotches. It performs well in both part sun and shade. Tiger Fern, this charming cultivar features cascading fronds of yellow-green foliage, perfect for a hanging basket. Elephant ear tiger, the focal point of this plant is a distinct tiger pattern stem. It's also known as the zebra plant. Tiger jade, this cute small succulent produces small shield-shaped gray-green leaves with contrasting dark blue-green spots and purple undersides that somewhat resemble the tiger patterns. Tiger aloe, one of the prettiest aloes, it displays small sword-shaped fleshy foliage with beautiful white tiger-like stripes marked on green leaves. Tiger stripe mother of thousands. This fascinating plant grows tiny plants from the edges of the leaves that look exactly like the adult plants but much smaller in shape, has striking tiger-like stripes on the leaves. Tiger cryptanthus. This stunning rosette-forming plant features wavy mid-green leaves with irregular white crossbands that look like a mix of zebra and tiger patterns. Silver vase plant, also known as urn plant, the leathery arched leaves are patterned in silver and sea green streaks that contrast beautifully with pink flower bracts and blue blossoms. Gingerland. The heart-shaped creamy white leaves have green margins and are designed in pink or red splotches that somewhat resemble patterns of the tiger skin. White tiger. Calathea white tiger looks similar to white fusion. Also, it's fussy to grow, but it deserves the efforts. Tiger shark snake plant. This short variety has silver green leaves with a dark green strip that gives the illusion of a tiger skin-like pattern. If you found this video helpful and exciting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening!